Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek. I'm in Key West, Florida. Look at the beautiful beach here. Sun's coming up. You just can't beat the Keys. If you've never been here, I'd put it on your destination itinerary because one day, especially when it's cold and snowy in the winter, it's a great place to come. What do I want to talk about today? A lot of times we think about wanting to do real estate and wanting to make a difference in our life, but there's a lot of distractions that happen during the day. We have things that come up. Mainly what takes our most time is going to be our job. Our job takes a lot of time, and we're dedicated to our job, we're dedicated to our family, we're dedicated to our children, we're dedicated to our friends. Something's got to give sometimes because, you know, as they say, you say yes to one thing, you say no to something else. What you got to look at is how you're going to allocate your time. Unfortunately, we all need that paycheck if you're still working, and you have to put the best effort into your job. You do have to put effort into family and children and friends, but like anything, moderation is key. If your friends are taking up a lot of your time, I think they need to understand that this is something important to you. It can be life-changing, right? You have to let them know that, you know, you can still see them, talk to them. However, real estate should come first above maybe weekend excursions like what? Going to the beach, going to the movies, going to the mall. So take a look at your time, get out there, commit, make it happen, get dedicated, and go make it a great day. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.